it all starts with understanding. To excel in the world of trading, grasping and interpreting market movements is crucial. That's where the ZigZag indicator comes in handy. It's a favored tool in technical analysis designed to pinpoint peaks and troughs on a price chart. The indicator forms zigzag lines connecting price extremes, representing moments of minimum and maximum values over a certain interval. While many other indicators might clutter your chart with various lines and signals, ZigZag offers a clean and comprehensible visualization of price movements. Peaks, troughs, corrections. They all become clearly visible, simplifying your analysis immensely. Focus on what matters. ZigZag filters out the noise of the market, allowing you to concentrate on significant price movements and recognize genuine trends. If you're into Elliott wave theory and like finding entry points in the wave patterns of a chart, the ZigZag indicator will be indispensable. It aids in identifying and analyzing wave structures with high precision. So how can you adeptly use it in market analysis? Let's start with a straightforward example on the AUD-CHF chart. We see a clear uptrend following along the lines within a channel, and here the zigzag lines assist in distinctly identifying the boundaries. In its turn, the stochastic oscillator moves upward from the oversold area, indicating a buy signal. Let's say a 15-minute upward trade. The candles bounce off the trend line precisely, and we pocket the profit. In the meantime, we can move on to the next one. Now let's consider a similar scenario, but with subtle distinctions. This is to help you grasp the market nuances better and practice varied situations. Again, there's a channel traversing through the zigzag's troughs. The chart is trending upwards, but this time we caught it too early for an upward trend entry. Firstly, the candles should rebound from the lower trend line. Being aware of its subsequent moves, we can exploit this and profit from a trade betting on a decrease. We place a 10-minute downward trade and wait. The candles made a slight jump, but sellers prevailed, ensuring the trend's course wasn't interrupted. Note that this time, other indicators also suggested market overbought conditions at this segment, making the trade particularly lucrative. Let's move on to the next one. In this time, we're looking at a downtrend. Knowing where the key peaks and troughs are lets you set more precise trade entries, optimizing your income potential and minimizing risks. That's where the zigzag comes into play, clearly defining levels. In this scenario, the chart continues to move within a channel, this time downwards. We place a modest 5-minute trade. Take note of the other indicators, MACD and stochastic. They indicate the chart is declining from the overbought zone. The market is ever evolving, and sometimes traders find it challenging to remain composed. ZigZag helps maintain a clear head by highlighting where significant changes genuinely occur. So if you're in search of a tool that will make your analysis more purpose-driven, intuitive, and efficient, give the ZigZag indicator a shot. It will not only elevate your understanding of the market, but will instill confidence in every executed trade. Well, that's all for today, and we score a profit. Pretty straightforward, isn't it? A reminder, you can view all my explanations and analysis of every trade on my Telegram channel, so make sure to subscribe. And remember, no indicator can guarantee a 100% profitable signal. Aim to use them as assistance and always analyze the charts yourself. I hope this video has been beneficial for you. We'll catch up soon. Stay safe and be in touch.